Hello everyone and welcome to Tennessee's Garage. I have here my 2007 Honda Shadow Sabre. Going to be doing a number of videos on this bike and others. Going to cover some maintenance items as well as some various mods. Going to look into changing the tires, changing the oil, all the other fluids. I've got a Kevlar clutch kit we're going to put on. The first video we're going to make is of a tachometer install. Want to get into some of the carburetor tuning and pull off a few dyno runs just to see what kind of power we can get out of it. Going to do all kinds of wonderful things with this and the other bikes that I have. We're going to be doing previews on those pretty soon, and some of the other vehicles that I've got that I'm going to be working with. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you know when the next video drops, and then also click on the ads or watch the ads and continue to support the YouTubers that bring you the content that you love. I'll leave you with the startup of the bike, maybe a short little rev, and I will see y'all next time.